Kia ora, hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to play the Blooket. Now, my name is Matua Dave and I'll be running you through step by step on what to do. So, first thing we have to do is open up a Google Chrome web browser, and that'll take you to this page. To get to our Google Classroom, make sure that you are logged into your Google account first, and then click on the Google Apps and click Classroom. This will connect you or take you to all of the Google Classrooms that you're connected with. We want to go to Team Whitu 2022. Here is our classwork that we've been doing over these past few weeks, and the Blooket is located in this one, Aotearoa New Zealand History, Te Tiriti o Waitangi. Over here you'll see the Blooket link. Now we don't click that just yet. Instead what we're going to do is go up to the top here and open up a new tab. Once we've opened up that new tab, we're simply going to type in Blooket and go to the Blooket website. Before we can actually play a game, first we have to log in. So again, make sure you are logged into your account as I am and click login. Now I've been to this website a few times, so it's automatically going to log me in. However, for some of you, your screen might look like this. Because you haven't played or logged in a while, you may have to log in with Google. If this comes up, that means you've not signed in with this account before, so you actually have to sign up in the top right hand corner and then click sign up with Google. Once you click that button, another window will pop up linking you, and then you have to give yourself a name. I'm just going to put Student Dave, tick the box to say I am at least 13 years old, and click sign up. And there we have this part comes in. Who are you? I am a student, I am a teacher, but for this purpose I want you to click student. Once you've done that, you'll be able to go through all of the steps next. We're going to skip all of those steps and do them later. Once you've done that, we need to go back to our Blooket by clicking later, go back to our Google Classroom, and now we can click the link. The link will open up a new tab up the top, so now there's actually 3 tabs, and it'll take us straight to the Blooket. You can host it if you have multiple people playing, but for this purpose I only want you to play solo. So you click solo and it's going to open up another tab, so now you have 4 tabs at the top, and you get to choose which game you're going to play. You can play either Tower Defense, Tower of Doom, Cafe or Crazy Kingdom. The choice is yours. Once you've chosen which game mode you're going to play, you can start playing. Have fun!